Hey friends, welcome to Bobilon YouTube channel. I will show you how to crochet a chain. We have our slip knot on the hook. Hold on to your piece as close to that slip knot as possible, then do a yarn over and pull it through the loop, just like that. I'm going to repeat it again slowly with you. Wrap yarn around hook, pull it through the loop. Yarn around hook, pull it through the loop. Notice how I've adjusted my hand by the way to hold on to the piece as close as possible again to the hook. That way the chain won't be twisted. So let's do one more chain stitch together slowly. Make sure your hook is in front of the working yarn, then yarn over, and then bring that yarn through the loop that's on your hook. So keep going and make as many as the pattern that you have tells you to. And remember to keep on adjusting your grip every few stitches. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!